Just got this pressure washer off our marketplace for $25. Everything's going on it. Don't have a gas cap. Tires don't have air. Maybe I can get it to run. We'll see. It's only 25 bucks. Check oil. Super black, but it does have oil. Feels like it has a lot of compression. Maybe too much. Let's see. That spark. Indeed, it does have spark. Feels like it has a crap ton of compression. Good compression. That was a struggle. Let's see if I can get it to fire off. That didn't work. Kind of want to check these valves because this thing's super hard to pull. Oh, came off. Interesting. I think that I may or may not have found the issue. But look how much play that valve has. It's probably not supposed to be that much. And it's cracked. Huh. Yep. And that's the problem. So cracked rocker. Yep. That's what's the issue right here. So that's not a bad buy for 25 bucks. Just got to get another rocker. And these things just slip in. They don't have no holder. I guess the cover just keeps it in place. Yep, got some wear marks. See if I can adjust this and get it to fire off. We got the rock arm readjusted. This one feels kind of loose, but it should work. Cam has a little bad spot on it. Might have to change that, who knows. Should work now. Take two. Well, it works. Just got to get another rocker arm. Possibly replace the cam, maybe. And yeah. How about that? 25 bucks. Oh shit. There's some oil splurting out everywhere. Guess that came from the cam. $25 from Facebook Marketplace. Not a bad little fix.